Hey, welcome back. This is Sound Signals. I'm your host, Summer. We help people take back their interests and help them become their own bank. The key to all of this is to pass the knowledge along. Sorry for the late video. Told you I'm on the road, and I'm trying to do the best I can. However, doesn't help that everything is taking off right now. I tried to get this in last night, but I was busy. So let's just talk about what's going on, okay? So last time we spoke, let's go down to the lower time frame because this is a daily. Obviously, you see gold taking off. Nice. Let's go. I'm using my hotspot, so internet might be lagging. Okay. So, remember? So I added new entries because, well, not new entries. This is where the entries are from the last time. Okay. I just placed them so you know where they're at. Okay. And this was the stop loss here. As you can see, our stop loss was actually hit. Okay. Um, yeah, it was so annoying. Look how annoying that is. But anyways, um, regardless, I would have definitely got in if I would have seen this. But like I said, I'm on the road and didn't, so I'm actually stopped out of all of my trades simply because my stop loss was here. Okay, this is my stop loss right here. Okay, so as you can see, it hit that. Okay, so I wish I could say I'm in it, but I'm not. Okay, and that's okay. It's actually looking really good. So what's next for gold, right? Let's take a look, see what happened. So go back up to the higher time frame, and as you can see here, uh, I still believe it's a head and shoulders pattern. Okay, we did say that price may get rejected here, um, but I didn't think it was gonna come down this deep. Nonetheless, it did. I wish I could get this out of the way. Hold on. There we go. Okay. So uh, this is still a head and shoulders pattern. Like I said, this wasn't a true, bear flag, but as you can see, this parallel channel, it did fall out of it, okay? And so I did expect that, okay? And it did that. As you can see, price came down, retested, and then fell again, okay? But as soon as it got down here, price ate it up and it actually did a bullish engulf. As you all know, this is a positive thing, okay? And it's looking really great. Actually, it's looking very great. I don't have my black. I did say I was gonna fix it. I'll fix it right now, so I'll show you guys what I did, okay, for this parallel channel here. um, I had it for this here. You guys remember this channel? Okay, you guys remember this channel because I did say that this black trend line, this dotted black trend line, is going to be the support. This is what's holding it up. If this all fails, it will fall, and it has been supported, so that's really good. And then now we can get rid of this parallel channel because it is invalidated, and price is starting to make its way out. Okay, so the next thing we could do is wait for price to break out. Excuse that. So we can wait for price to break out, come back down, and retest somewhere in this area. That was, remember, our next goal anyways. So right now, that's basically what we're waiting for. And it makes perfect sense because if you look at, excuse the noise, if you look at this large parallel channel, you can see that this will be a breakout and it'll come back and retest like a flag pattern, okay? So that's what we're looking for now. Right now, if you're looking for that smaller trade, then yes, you will look for a breakout here because of this inverse head and shoulders. Breakout, retest, and then boom, okay? If you are looking more of a long term, then you will be looking for some type of breakout, more confirmation, and then getting in wherever it finds support at, okay? So that's it. Not much to say from there. Like I said, sorry about the lag because I am using my hotspot. I left my other hotspot in the truck, but anyways, uh, yeah, it's looking really good. Okay, so that's it for now. Let's go to Bitcoin. As you all know, this thing is looking great. I did say in the last video what would happen. Remember, this is a inverse head and shoulders, okay? So it broke out, retested. Remember, we said that this red trend line is actually the inverse head and shoulders, so the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. But I also said that this is a flag. As you can see, this channel here, this parallel channel, is a bit of a flag. So price can either break out, find support here. If it doesn't find support here, it can come all the way down here, okay? And as you can see, price did that, okay? It came all the way down. Actually, right, you can see it came all the way down. It broke out and came back all the way down. So this would have been a great opportunity to buy, okay? If you don't believe me, let's check out the 1 hour. This is on the daily. Well, before I move on to the daily, we didn't get as low in our buying green area here, but that's okay because it's super bullish and that's fine. And the next target, you will most likely, like I said, you could take your profit here to the next resistance zone, or you can keep on moving to the 74, and then obviously the higher one will be 83. Okay, but let's go down to the 1 hour. Okay. And as you can see, price held support. So remember, this is our support line here, okay? Let's move this. I don't know why this keeps popping up right there, but this is our support line right here. As you can see, it held up perfectly. And let's actually scoot this out so you can see where the target is for this short-term trade here. Hold on, let me, there we go. There it is. Let's bring out our buying zone there. Okay. And as you can see, our next target for this short-term trade will be about 69,000. Okay, so we can see that pretty soon. I might get a little resistance here, fall back down a little bit, or it could blast on through. We'll see. But either way, this is the first target for this short-term trade here. Okay, the trend is still up. This head and shoulders regular pattern was invalidated. It never truly broke down below and closed below. You have a couple closes, but obviously very super bullish and to the top, okay? And this inverse head and shoulders is playing out perfectly. As you can see, it back tested and now it's closing above, okay? That's what you want to see, all right? So let me see if I can get a little closer so you guys know what I'm talking about with these candles. Yeah, it's kind of hard when it's on the lower time frame, but as you can see, a lot of blue candles or green, whatever your candles, your color are for bullish candles, closing right on top. Beautiful. Okay. As you can see, these are red candles, but really didn't even close. You can see a lot of the blue ate it up. Blue, or engulf. It was super engulfed there. So yeah, ate it up. Either way, we were prepared for that. So great, right? And like I said, the next targets will be that 67 and 74, okay, if it gets there, if it wants to load. So 67 here, 74, third will be the 83,000, okay? We will see it. We will see it soon. Let's go to Ethereum. All right, Ethereum, obviously it's looking great. This trend is holding strong, and I did say, like I told you guys, that I like to see Ethereum keep climbing, right? I said I want to get to the first one, and even better if we get to the second one, which I think it will. As you can see, it's doing really well. Let's go down to the lower time frame so we can check out the trend. Come on. There we go. Okay. So now let's check out the trend. Come on, load. All right. So as you can see, every time that little underline, the purple is where that support is. Let's build a new support, as you can see. Boom. Right in our buying zone, too. I mean, I can't make this up. I really can't. Like, I wish I can, but all these are here. One opportunity. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is just an uptrend. You're following it. This is what they mean when you're following the trend. You're literally following the trend. I mean, if you were to get in where our original green box is right here and follow this all the way up, look how, oh my gosh. This would have scared you, though. This would have scared you because it dipped below. This would have scared you for sure. This would have scared me. But nonetheless, this is what a trend is, and this is how you follow it. Okay? And this is on the 1 hour. This is beautiful, okay? Even if you're not a long-term trader, you were just to trade every single push up, right? You would get in, hit the target, okay? You would get in again, hit the target. You would get in again, hit the target. Get in again, hit the target. This is what I mean. This wouldn't have scared you because you would have hit your target. Okay? Then you would have gotten in, waited again, hit your target. Got in again, wait, hit your target. You got in again, hit your target, okay? And that's it. That's it, okay? Oops. Anyways. You can see a little bit here. The next target is 47,000. I mean, sorry, 47,000. 4,700. So 4,200 is our next target right there for the 1 hour. Okay, for this little trade here, you can honestly you can take it now because it's pretty much there, right? We don't want to be greedy. We've done that, been there, done that. Okay, so what's next? Let's go on. Oops, sorry, the daily. Come on. Come on. Sorry, you guys. Okay, so what's next? Like I said, what we're waiting for is we want price to at least get here. You know, really make that new all-time high, right? Then we'll move our fibs here to that new all-time high, and then our bottom here will be to the last higher low. Okay, and then all we're waiting for is for price to obviously get here, which is you know, it's taking its time, but hey, let it take its time. Then we want price to retrace somewhere in this area, okay? Obviously this is an estimated area because we don't know, this hasn't finished, right? Okay, remember I said this is why I haven't moved it, because I'm gonna let this trend here tell me when it wants to reverse, okay? And the only way I would know that it wants to reverse is when it breaks it on the 1 hour. Once the 1 hour breaks, right? Once this trend, this is the last high here, okay? So this is what we want to see. Let me save it so that could be there for next time, okay? This is what we want to see. We want price to get here, break down, come back up, and then break down, okay? Why? Because then I know price is starting to reverse from there, okay? And then all we're waiting for that is to go back on to the higher time frame if it wants to get there. Okay, right, get up there and then fall in that area, that estimated area. Okay, obviously it's not yet, okay, but there it is. Okay, so the first target for the daily would be 45, so 4,500, and then the next one will be 5,300. It's getting there pretty soon, you guys. It's taking off. It's going to take off. Let's get rid of this purple line there. Okay, let's see XRP. Okay, XRP, I mentioned this, so I hate to say that that I told you guys, but look, if you guys read the description too, I basically tell you what might happen. Okay, I basically say it there. So if you don't even watch the videos, read the description at least. It'll give you a hint of what might happen in the market. Okay, but look, I said XRP is gonna have one more dip. Okay, just one more dip right there, and then boom. It's not. You're not gonna see this price again. It's over. That's it. You're not gonna see, like I told you, we're still in this trade. Okay, we got in at 101. I should probably mark it so you guys know. Okay, there. We got in right there, and obviously we got in over here. Okay, so And actually, we got in at 96 cents too. Remember, I told you. I mentioned this dip, or I'm sorry, not that dip, this dip here, and then I mentioned that it might fall again. That's why we got this 101. Okay. Um, but anyways, price of no return. Uh, price came up, made one more final dip, and I think that final dip went to. Let's check it out. Let's see how far it went. The low was. The low says it's 98. It went to. Let me see. Oh, I'm sorry, 98 cents. The low went to $1.09. Okay. Um, I said maybe the lowest was $1.06. I'm off by 3 cents. Okay, but hey, I did say one more dip was coming after this push up. Okay, after this, it's ready to take off. We're never gonna see these prices again. And if we see these prices again, I promise I'll send somebody 20 XRP, guaranteed you. Guaranteed you will never see these prices again. If I'm wrong, I'll give you 20 XRP. Okay. You guys make sure you guys save that and send it to me. Put it in a comment. Hey, I'm the first one that. Hey, you said it wasn't gonna come back here, and look, it's back. Send me that, and I'll run you that. I'll give you that. Okay. Because I don't think we'll see that again. I don't think we'll see this range right here. This, and I'm gonna be exact number. This, I'm gonna say $1.01. We'll never see it again. $1.01 and below, we'll never see it again. So there you go. There's a number to that. All right. Let's see what our target is. Obviously the first target, obviously be this resistance here. It will be $1.38. Next, our real targets. That $1.62, and the next one will be $1.91. Okay. Those are definitely some targets to look out for. All right, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. All right, so let's stretch this out. This one is out. This one's doing great too. This is doing lovely. Okay. So, as you can see, it's almost to our target. Okay. I'm gonna show you what's going on in the 1 hour time frame. This basically what we're doing here is following the trend. This hasn't hit my stop loss at all. It's doing really well. So I'm confident in this. Remember, our stop loss is down under here. Okay. So we're doing okay. And oh no, did I move it? Hold on. No, I didn't move it. No. I still have it there. I probably should move it, but I'll tell you when I move it. Oh, anyways. So this is the 1 hour. Okay. We spoke about this. Let's move this up. So this is the same thing. We're just following the trend. Okay. And as you can see, actually, it's scooted out really quick. Okay, there it is. So as you can see, this is our buying zone here. And for me, I'm honestly just waiting for the price to really get in the zone, okay? I can say it is, but I don't really like it, okay? Well, it doesn't look too bad, but now that I'm looking at it, it doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. Because you see an engulf there. That looks really good. And then not only that, it's adhering to this blue moving average here, okay? So that blue MA is looking, it's really holding well. See, as you can see, this blue line is just telling me the trend, okay? That we're in an uptrend, okay? And it's looking really well. So, yeah, I mean, I might just stay out of it because I know I'm gonna be able to pay attention to it. But it's looking really well. Plus, I'm already right here and right here, okay? My stop loss is right here. I should move it to at least right here. I really should. I probably will just because, like I said, I can't pay attention to it. But, so I really should. But I don't think I'll ever move this one. No. I will move this one actually. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna leave my stop loss there, only because I'm gonna show you on the daily. Okay, so before, I mean not the daily, the weekly. So before I get there, just know this is the trend. You can say it kind of got there, basically coming down, and then it's going up. But um, I'm not gonna say it. I'm just gonna be a little bit more patient and wait till it gets here. If it does, perfect. If it doesn't, all right. And if it doesn't, this is what it would look like. Basically, you'll move this to the next high there, and then this will be right here. But as you can see, I don't like this. Like, come on. Like, what is this? What is that? What kind of fit is that? Yeah, no. um, it looks like a 15-minute chart or that. No, I'm not doing that. So I'm gonna be patient. Just wait till price gets down here. If it does, oh my gosh, what am I doing? There it is. So price is in my range. I don't know why I had it lower. I'm not in the right mind, as you can see. No, I'm just kidding. No, but it is in the buying zone. Okay, well, this is a different story now. So looks like I may be buying, because it looks really good. Yeah. Let's get in. Hold on. Well, I'll get in after. Yeah, no, I'm definitely getting in. It already had done. It's enough for me. I just explained the reason why. I'll explain it again. It's in our buying zone. It's adhering to this trend line here. Okay, Ethereum is pumping. Bitcoin is pumping as well, but Ethereum is going to pump, to me, I think, more than Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin may get rejected right here. Okay, and then may fall down a little bit and then go back up. While Ethereum is, see how it's pushing through already through this first profit taking level. It might just push on through to the next one. Okay, and then that's when we get this push here, and then that'll be our take profit, because then once why, and let me show you why this is gonna make sense. You're gonna see like, oh yes, I understand, because look, okay, so after this push comes up here, right, because Ethereum is pushing, look, Ethereum is pushing, okay, here, and then while Bitcoin gets rejected right here a little bit, comes down, okay, so when this is falling, all of this is going to be rising, okay? Ethereum versus Bitcoin is going to be rising, okay? So then let me tell you where it's going to be changing, okay? So when Ethereum finally gets here, guess what's going to happen? Possibly. It's going to get rejected here and then start to fall. And then that's where that estimated entry might be, okay? And then so when this is falling, guess what? Bitcoin is going to find a level of support and then rise. You see? And then let me show you. Then we go to the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart. Let's go on the weekly. Now I can show you the weekly. Oh, come on. Okay. Remember, I'm thinking, let me get these out the way really quick so you can see. Remember we put our take profit a little bit shorter because we found this type of triangle pattern. So what's happening, right? Remember I said Ethereum is going to pump up to here, all right? And then by November, guess what? Ethereum is going to fall, right? Because the main currency is Ethereum, right? So when Ethereum is falling, because it already hit its target and needs to find a level of support, Bitcoin is rising, okay? So remember, Bitcoin is rising. And I said, once it gets rejected here, Bitcoin will rise when Ethereum falls. Now, if that doesn't make sense to you, I hope it did, because it made sense to me. And that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.